Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi 10 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to connect pendrive. In the beginning, make sure that your pendrive has a USB-C stick and then simply plug it to charging port in your smartphone. Wait a second and then you will be able to enter your pendrive internal storage by going to Files app. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.